Hello and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Physics Cafe by Manjeet Kaur. So dear students, yesterday was your science exam of 10th class CBSE board. Due to some reasons I couldn't be able to share answer key with you, but today I share answer key with you. So this is the question paper of one of my student. So series is JSK/1. So this is the front page and this is the set number 4. So here this is for term first exam and maximum marks is 40. So let's start. First question we have, a student by burning a magnesium ribbon in air collected the products in a wet watch glass. The new product obtained was option number A magnesium oxide, option number B magnesium carbonate, option number C magnesium hydroxide and option number D magnesium chloride. So dear student, because of wet watch glass, so option number C is the right answer, that is magnesium hydroxide. Second question we have, consider the following chemical equations: 2NaOH plus H2SO4 arrow Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. So the information conveyed by the equations are option number 1, that is first and second, option number B second and third, option number C third and fourth, and D is first and fourth. Because here reaction is between sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen sulfate and the product are sodium sulfate plus water. So here our answer is, that is first option, that is NaOH react with H2SO4 to produce Na2SO4 and water, which is right. And next one is, for every molecules of H2SO4 2 molecules of NaOH are required. This is also correct. So correct option is, that is option number A. Next question we have, that is question number 3. Select the correct matching in the following table in connection with the given chemical reaction, that is CuSO4 plus Fe arrow FeSO4 plus Cu, that is copper sulfate react with iron give us iron sulfate plus copper. So we know very well this is the activity. So copper sulfate's color is, initial color is blue, and the final color of the solution when copper sulfate react with iron, then final color of the solution is pale green. Then the final color of the iron nails, that is brownish, and the type of reaction is displacement. So options are given. Consider the following process. Wait. So question number 3, correct answer is, that is option number D. Option number D is the correct one. So next question we have, that is question number 4. Consider the following process: dilution of sulfuric acid, sublimation of dry ice, condensation of water vapors, dissolutions of ammonium chloride in water. So the endothermic process is so we know very well the endothermic process in which energy is absorbed. So energy is absorbed in this sublimation of a dry ice and these solutions of chloride in water. So options are given, that is option number A first and third, second only, C is third only, and the D is second and fourth. So the correct answer is option number D of question 4th. So next question we have, that is question number 5. A solution gives yellow-orange color when a few drops of universal indicator are added to it. The solution is of, options are option number A lemon juice, option B sodium chloride, option C sodium hydroxide, option number D milk of magnesia. So the correct answer is, that is, so the correct option is option number A. Next question, that is question number 6. Concentrated H2SO4 is diluted by adding drop by drop. Option number A water is acid, water to acid with constant stirring. Option number B acid to water with constant stirring. Option number C water to acid followed by a base. Option number D base to acid followed by a cold water. So the correct answer is acid to water with constant stirring. Next question, that is question number 7. Absence of tartaric acid in baking powder makes the taste of the cake better due to presence of. Option number A, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Option number B, sodium carbonate. Option number C, sodium metabisulfite. Option number D, sodium sulfate. So the correct answer is sodium carbonate. Next question, that is question number 8. The pH of the acid rain is approximately option number A 5.6, B 6.4, C 7.0 and the D is 7.9. So we know very well that is option number A, that is 5.6. So next question we have, that is the question number 9. So the salt A commonly used in food products, it is reactant to produce salt B used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Salt B on heating converts into another salt C which is used in the manufacturing of glass, salt A, B, C respectively. So option number A, that is NaHCO3, NaCl, Na2CO3. Option number B, Na2CO3, NaHCO3, NaCl. Option number C, Na2CO3, NaCl, NaHCO3. Option number D, NaCl, NaHCO3, Na2CO3. So the correct answer is, that is option number D, NaCl, NaHCO3 and Na2CO3. Next question, that is question number 10. So here this question comes from the activity. In the following diagram, what would happen if some amount of sodium hydroxide is taken in place of sulfuric acid and the test tube is heated? So options are, option number A, same amount of H2 gas is evolved. Option number B, H2 gas is not evolved. Option number C, the amount of H2 gas evolved is much less. Option number D, in place of H2 gas, O2 gas evolves. So its correct answer is same amount of H2 gas is evolved. So next page, that is page number 4, question number 11. In human alimentary canal, the specific enzyme used secreted in location 1, 2 and 3 are options here. Option number A, amylase pepsin bile. Option number B, amylase bile trypsin. Option number C, lipase amylase pepsin. Option number D, trypsin bile amylase. So the correct answer is, that is option number B, that is amylase bile and trypsin. Next question, that is question number 12. The sequence of anaerobic respiration in our muscle cells during heavy exercises. Option number A, glucose, pyruvate, lactic acid plus energy, glucose, pyruvate, carbon dioxide plus water. Option number C, glucose, pyruvate, ethanol plus CO2. D, glucose, pyruvate, ethanol, lactic acid. We know very well in an anaerobic respiration where oxygen is absent, so correct answer is, that is option number A, glucose in presence of cytoplasm. Glucose location is cytoplasm converted into pyruvate, then location is muscle cell converted into lactic acid plus energy. So next question, that is question number 13. We have the separation of the right side and left side of the human heart is useful to option number A, keep oxygenated blood from mixing with deoxygenated blood. Option number B, a slow supply of oxygen in the body, supply energy to animals with low energy needs, that is option number C. And the option number D, often change their body temperature. So correct answer is option number A, that is keep oxygenated blood from mixing with deoxygenated blood. Next question, that is question number 14. In spring, sugar stored in root or stem tissues of plant is transported to the buds for option number A, the energy needs of the bud to grow. Option number B, temperature regulation. Option number C, balancing of the storage in different organs. Option number D, diffusion process. So the right answer is the energy needed of the buds to grow. Next question we have, that is question number 15. The energy released during cellular respiration is used to synthesis. Option number A, ribosomes. Option number B, RBC. Option number C, ATP. Option number D, mitochondria. So the correct answer is adenophosphate, that is option number C, that is ATP. So next question we have, that is question number 16 on page number 5. So the urban movement of water in tall trees is due to option number A, translocation, option number B, excretion, option number C, photosynthesis, option number D, transpiration. So the correct answer is transpiration, that is option number D. Next question we have question number 17. If a lens and a spherical mirror both have a focal length of minus 15 cm, then it may concluded that option number A, both are concave, option number B, the lens is concave and the mirror is convex, option number C, the length is convex and the mirror is concave, option number D, both are convex. So the correct answer is both are concave. Next question number 18. An optical device forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. If the size of the image is one half of the object, the optical device is a concave mirror, convex mirror, that is option number B, option number C, plane mirror, option number D, convex mirror. So the correct answer is convex mirror. So this is the question number 18. Next question, that is question number 19 we have. A student determines the focal length of a device A by focusing the image of a far-off object on a screen placed on the opposite side of the object. The device A is concave lens, that is option number A, option number B, concave mirror, option number C, convex lens, and option number D is convex mirror. So the correct answer is, that is convex lens. Next question, question number 20. When light is incident on a glass slab, the incident ray, refracted ray and the emergent ray all are lying three media A, B and C. If N1, N2 and N3 are the refractive indexes of A, B and C, then the emergent ray is smaller to the incident ray. Which of the following is true? Option number A, N1 less than N2, N2 less than N3. Option number B, N1 greater than from N2, N2 greater than from N3. Option number C, N1 less than N2 which is equals to N3. D, option number D, that is N1 which is equals to N3. N3 is less than from N2. So the correct answer is option number D, that is N1 is equals to N3 which is less than from N2. Next question, that is question number 21. We have the image of a candle flame formed by a lens is obtained on a screen placed on the other side of the lens. According to the new Cartesian sign conventions, if the image is 3 times of the size of the flame, then the lens is option number A, concave and magnification is +3. Option number B, concave and magnification is -3. Option number C, convex and magnification is -3. Option number D, convex and magnification is +3. So the correct answer is convex and the magnification is -3. Next question, question number 22. The power of combination of two lenses in contact is +1.0 diopter if the focal length of one of the lenses of the combination is +20.0 centimeter. The focal length of the other lens would be, the options are options are given. Option number A is -120.0 centimeter. Option number B +80.0 centimeter. Option number C -25.0 centimeter. Option number D -20.0 centimeter. So the correct answer is, that is option number C, that is -25.0 centimeter. So next question we have question number 23. So when a ray of light passes through a glass prism, it suffers two refractions. During these refractions, the ray bends. Option number A, away from the base in both cases. Option number B, towards the base in both cases. Option number C, towards the base in first case and away from the base in second case. Option number C, away from the base in first case and toward the base in second case. So the correct answer is, that is the refraction ray bends towards the base in both the cases. Option number B is the correct answer. So next question we have, that is question number 24. To an astronaut, the sky on the moon appears dark because option number A, there is no light on the moon, there is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon, moon is a non-luminous object, that is option number C. Option number D, the surface of the moon absorbs all of the sunlight. So we know the correct answer is, that is there is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon. So this is the correct answer, that is option number B. So next we have section number B, whose question, that is question number 25th. When lead nitrate powder is heated in a boiling tube, we observe option number A, brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide, B, brown fumes of lead oxide, C, yellow fumes of nitrogen dioxide, D, brown fumes of nitric oxide. This question is again from activity. So we know the correct answer is brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide is observed. Next question, that is question number 26. An aqueous solution of salt shows an orange-red color when a drop of universal indicator is added to it. This salt is made up of option number A, a strong acid and a strong base. Option number B, a weak acid and a weak base. Option number C, a strong acid and a weak base. Option number D, a weak acid and a strong base. So the correct option is a strong acid and a weak base. Next question, that is question number 27th. We have 3 test tubes A, B and C contain distilled water and acidic solutions and basic solutions respectively. When red litmus solution for testing these solutions, the observed color changes respectively will be option number A, no change, B becomes dark red and C becomes blue. Option number B, A becomes light red, B becomes blue, C becomes red. Option number C, A becomes red, B becomes no change and C becomes blue. Option number D, A becomes light red, B becomes dark red and C becomes blue. So the correct answer is A, no change, B becomes dark red and C becomes blue. That is option number A. Next question we have, that is question number 28. Given below reaction showing chlor-alkali process, 2NaCl plus 2H2O reaction occur to NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Here in reactant side, sodium chloride react with water give us to sodium hydroxide plus chlorine gas plus hydrogen gas emitted. So the products A, B and C are produced respectively. Options are given. Option number A, at the anode, at the cathode, near the cathode. Option number B, near the cathode, at the anode, at the cathode. Option number C, at the cathode, near the cathode, at the anode. Option number D, at the anode, near the cathode and at the cathode. So the correct answer is near the cathode, at the anode and at the cathode. So this is the question number 28. Next question is again from activity, that is question number 29th. In the activity shown in the diagram, if the climate is humid, the role of calcium chloride taken in the guard tube is to option number A, absorb the evolved gas, B, warm up the gas, C, dry the gas, D, absorb chloride ions from the evolved gas. So this is again activity. So the right answer is to use dry the gas, which is option number C is the correct one answer. Next question is question number 30. Which one of the following chemicals is used in soda acid fire extinguishers? Option number A, sodium chloride. Option number B, sodium acetate. Option number C, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Option number D, ammonium sulfate. So the correct answer is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is the question number 30. From question number 31 to 34, we have assertion and reasoning questions. So question number 31, assertion, silver salt are used in black and white photography. Reason, silver salt do not compose in the presence of light. So option number C is correct, which means assertion is true and reason is false. So next question we have, that is question number 32. Assertion is the solution of ionic compound are good conductor of electricity. Reason, movement of atoms of element take place in solution. So option number B is correct, which means both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Next question is, that is question number 33. Assertion, the rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much slower than the seen in terrestrial organisms. Reason, the amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very low as compared to the amount of oxygen in air. So the correct option is, that is option number A, which means both assertion and reason is true. Question number 32's answer is, that is B. Next question we have, that is question number 34th. Adjacent kerosene having higher refracting index is optically denser than water, although its mass density is less than that of water. Reason: the speed of light decides whether a medium is optically rarer or optically denser, and optically denser medium may not possess greater mass density. So the correct option is, that is option number A, which means both adjacent and reasons are true. So next question we have, that is question number 35th, in which matching is given. So column A, column 2, column A, potassium does not react with even at high temperature, option number B. Column number first B part, that is zinc get coated with black color layered oxide. C, copper does not burn at ordinary temperature. D, silver burns vigorously. So here option number A, B, C, D are given. So 35th question's correct answer is option number A, which means potassium burns vigorously. Option number B, that is zinc. Zinc does not burn at ordinary temperature. And the next, that is copper. Copper get coated with black color layer of oxide, and the silver does not react even at high temperature. So option number A is the correct answer of question 35th. So next question we have, that is question number 36th. 4 test tubes A, B, C, D are taken. In test tube A, iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution. In test tube B, copper wire is dipped in ferrous sulfate solution. In test tube C, zinc metal is dipped in ferrous sulfate solution. And in test tube D, iron nail is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. The reactivity order has been found to which Zn is greater than from iron, iron is greater than from copper. So in which test tubes was the color changes observed? So option number A, that is A and C, option number B, A and B, option number C, B and C, and the option number D, that is B and D. So the correct answer is option number A, that is A and C. Question number 37. The function not performed by villi is option number A, to increase the surface area for absorption, option number B, to ensure rich supply of blood vessels, option number C, absorption of food, option number D, egestion of food. So the correct answer is, that is option number D, egestion of food. So next question, that is question number 38 on page number 9. We have, in the given figure diagram, A, B, C and D respectively are option number A, left kidney, B, aorta, C, vena cava, D, urethra. Option number B, A, left kidney, B, vena cava, C, aorta, D, urinary bladder. Option number C, A, right kidney, B, aorta, C, ureter, D, urethra, D, A, right kidney, B, vena cava, C, aorta, D is the urinary bladder. So the option number D is the correct one. Next question, that is question number 39th. Thin walled blood vessels are called aorta. Option number A, option number B, capillaries, C, arteries, D, vena cava. So the correct answer is option number B, that is capillaries. Question number 40. The function of lining of a mucus in the nasal passage of human being is to option number A, increase the temperature of inhaled air, B, move the air in and out, option number C, filter the air that we breathe in, option number D, absorb oxygen from air. So the correct answer is filter the air that we breathe in, that is option number C. So next question we have, that is question number 41st. In the following flow chart showing autotrophic nutrition in green plants, A and B respectively are option number A, oxygen and energy, B, starch and oxygen, C, energy and starch, D, oxygen and water. So the correct answer is energy and starch, which is option number C. Next question, that is 42nd on page number 10. Study the diagram given below and identify the type of lens x dash and the position of the point on the principal axis o dash where the image of the object AB appears to be formed. Option number A, concave between O dash and Y, B, concave between O and Y, C, convex between O dash and Y, D, convex between O and Y. So the correct answer is option number B, concave between O and Y. Next question, that is 43. The image of an object placed in front of concave mirror of focal length 15 cm is of the same size of the object. The distance between the object and the image is Option number A 15 centimeter, option number B 30 centimeter, option number C 60 centimeter, and the option number D, that is 0. Next question we have, that is question number 44th. An object 3.0 centimeter is placed vertically on the principal axis of a convex lens when the object distance is minus 37.5 centimeter. An image of height, that is minus 2.0 centimeter, is formed at a distance of 25.0 centimeter from the lens. Next, the same object is placed vertically at 25.0 centimeter from the lens. In this situation, the image distance v and height of the image is according to the new Cartesian sign conventions. A v is equals to 37.5 centimeter, h is 4.5 centimeter, b v minus 37.5 centimeter, h is plus 4.5 centimeter, c v is equals to 37.5 centimeter and h is minus 4.5 centimeter, d v is equals to minus 37.5 centimeter and h is minus 4.5 centimeter. So the correct answer is, that is v, which is equals to plus 37.5 centimeter, h is minus 4.5 centimeter. So next question number 45. The relation r is equals to 2f is valid. Option number A for concave mirror but not for convex mirror. Option number B for convex mirror but not for concave mirrors. Option number C neither for concave mirrors nor for convex mirrors. Option number D for both concave and convex mirrors. So the correct answer is, that is for both concave and convex mirrors. Next question 46th. A lens has a power of 4.0 diopter. It is option number A a convex lens of focal length 4 meter. Option number B a concave lens of focal length 4 meter. C a convex lens of focal length 0.25 meter. D a concave lens of focal length 0.25 meter. So the correct answer is, that is a convex lens of focal length a convex lens of focal length 0.25 meter. So option number C is the correct answer. Next question we have 47th. An object is placed in front of a concave lens. For all positions of the object, the image formed is always option number A real, diminished and inverted. Option number B virtual, diminished and erect. Option number C real, enlarged and erect. D virtual, erect and enlarged. So the correct option is virtual, diminished and erect, which is the option number B. Next question, that is 48th. Twinkling of star is due to option number A scattering of light, B dispersion of light, C Tyndall effect, D atmospheric refraction. So the correct answer is option number D, that is the atmospheric refraction. So next question, that is 49th on page number 11, where section C is started, in which we have case study given. So question number 49th, according to this case study, we have question number 49th. The chemical name of common salt is option number A potassium chloride, B sodium carbonate, C sodium hydrogen carbonate, D sodium chloride. So we know very well, that is a very easy question, that is sodium chloride is the chemical name of common salt. Question number 50. Common salt is option number A covalent compound, B ionic compound formed by sharing electrons, C an ionic compound formed by the transfer of electrons, D soluble in organic solvents. So the correct answer is an ionic compound formed by the transfer of electrons. Option number C is the correct answer of question number 50. So next question, that is question number 51st. Common salt is not a raw material for option number A bleaching powder, B plaster of Paris, C baking soda, D caustic soda. So option number B, that is for plaster of Paris. Next question number 52nd. Common salt is used as a raw material in the preparation of washing soda, in which the number of molecules of water of crystallization is option number A 10, B 7, C 5, D is 2. So the correct answer is option number A, that is 10. So this is the first case study. Next we have a second case study, which is based on activity. So question number 53rd, we have the function of KOH taken in the test tube is to absorb option number A release water vapors, B release CO2, C release O2, D chlorophyll. So option number B is the correct, that is release CO2. So next question, that is 54th, we have on the basis of activity we may conclude that the essential factors for photosynthesis is A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Chlorophyll, D. Water vapor. So the correct answer is carbon dioxide. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 55th. The event that does not occur in photosynthesis is option number A. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Option number B. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. C. Oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. D. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy. So the correct answer is oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. This is the correct answer. Next question, that is 56th. Iodine solution gives blue-black color with option number A. starch, B. protein, C. glucose, D. fats. So correct answer is option number A. starch. Next case study we have, that is 3. Question number 57th. The location of the sun when Krish observed a rainbow was option number A. behind him, B. in front of him, C. overhead, D. on the left side. So that the correct answer is behind him, that is option number A. Question number 58. The phenomena of light involved in the formation of a rainbow are option number A. reflection, refraction, dispersion, B. refraction, dispersion, internal reflection, C. refraction, dispersion, scattering, D. dispersion, scattering, internal reflection. So the correct answer is refraction, dispersion and internal reflection. That is option number B is the correct answer. Next question we have, that is question number 59th. In the formation of a rainbow, the role of water droplets present in the water fountain is to act as option number A. glass slab, B. convex lens, C. concave lens, D is the prism. So the correct answer is prism. Next question, that is question number 60. We have, while entering a water droplet, the sunlight gets option number A. refracted only, B. reflected internally, C. refracted and dispersed, D. first refracted and dispersed while coming out of the water droplets. So its answer is option number C. refracted and dispersed. So this is the end of your question paper. I hope, dear students, your exam goes very well. And for more updates, you can subscribe my channel, share my video and like my video with your friends. Thank you for watching.